In this video, I'm going to show you how to publish a Base44 app. Now, this is actually very simple. As you can see, I have a simple calculator app over here. And to publish this, once you're inside your created app, you want to go to the very top right where it says publish. Click on that, and then over here you'll be able to see your available domain. So it's going to be posted to this specific domain over here. And if you don't like it, you can click on manage over here and you can get one of their plans where you can actually connect your own domain. But if you don't want to actually use your own domain, you just want to basically use the built-in domain, which never expires, by the way, you can just go ahead, click on publish and click on publish app. But before that, make sure you actually are logged in because this does require a login. Okay, so if you don't have an account, make sure you create one, and then after you click the publish button, as you can see over here, you can then just basically sign in. So I'm just going to basically sign into my app over here with my Google account, and then it's going to sign me in right away, and I can go ahead and start using it. There we go. Okay, so as you can see, it's now published over here, last published a few seconds ago. That's what it says. And if I actually make any updates, I can just go ahead and publish that again, and I'll be able to just use it just like this inside this website. Okay, so that's how to publish. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.